Thank you for watching Deeper Than Red. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell when new episodes are released. Every last Wednesday of each month, a new episode will come out. The early 20th century was a turbulent time for Black Americans. Jim Crow laws, segregation, and lynching plagued Black life in America. Out of the bleakness rose a creative genre that transcended these troubles: Afrofuturism. Afrofuturism is a genre that incorporates Black history, culture, and technology through literature, music, and art. Some define it as a social movement where people of African descent play a central role in the creation of the world. Sun Ra, a jazz musician in the 1950s, brought the Afrofuturism movement into public consciousness. He used electrical instruments in his compositions many years before this became mainstream. Sun Ra paved the way for the cosmic and spacey sounds of jazz and funk. His albums often dealt with space. These include Space is the Place, Cosmic Tones for Mental Therapy, and We Travel the Spaceways. One of the movement's most well-known figures is Octavia Butler, an Afrofuturist writer. Octavia explored real-world themes of oppression, violence, and sexuality through imagining alternate versions of Earth. Octavia shared in an interview, "When I began writing science fiction, when I began reading, heck, I wasn't in any of this stuff I read. I wrote myself in, since I'm me, and I'm here, and I'm writing." She is known for the novels Kindred and Parable of the Sower. Kindred was adapted into an FX television series in 2022. Comic books have also played a central role in the development of the Afrofuturism movement. The fantastic tales and supernatural characters overcoming all odds that are found in comics also appeal to the Afrofuturist spirit of hope through adversity. While many consider Black Panther an Afrofuturist comic series, the series was created by Jack Kirby, who was a Marvel comic writer, not a Black creative. A more accurate example is Black Kirby, the name of the comic artist duo Stacey Robinson and John Jennings. Black Kirby remixes the classic comic book style into their own characters and Afrofuturistic tales. Visual art is also an important element of Afrofuturism. The Kenyan visual artist Wangeche Motu merges fantasy and surrealism to explore the experience of Black bodies. You can also see the Afrofuturism aesthetic within album artwork of some of the more contemporary hip-hop or jazz artists of today. Afrofuturism examines the past, questions the present, and imagines an optimistic future. It offers an escape from real-world problems. It explores the Black experience from fantastical and visceral perspectives. In the words of Sun Ra, "The possible has been tried and failed. Now it's time to try the impossible." Thanks for watching Deeper Than Red. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.